Bro, sound system in this truck sounds good. Oh, and you installed the CB too. Oh, sweet, bro. I didn't even see that. Hello. Whoa. What are you doing? That is not. Stop. That is not how you do it. What do you mean that's not how you do it? Look, hello. This thing working? Audio. Hello. See, you're the reason why idiots like that on the CB. You that's not how you do it. What? Well, it's okay. If that's not how you do it, then how do you do it? Show me. When you're trying to make sure the radio works, you pick up the mic and you go breaker 19 radio check. Is this thing working? Is it on? Audio. Hello, breaker 19. Simple stuff, man. Breaker. What? What is this? 1960? What's wrong with just going? What's wrong with that? Because you sound like a friggin' imbecile. I don't know. Try it. Try it. Good. See if it works. Good. Try it. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see. Hold on. Get ready. Hello. Is this thing working? Hello.
Sounds like you need a little bit of help there, buddy, mentally.
Yeah, you see what he said? You need mental help. Mental help. You keep doing what you. That's okay, Joey. You do you. I can't believe that guy. Did you hear what he said? I need mental help. What did I do? You know what? Forget this thing. Forget you. Have a nice day. Can't teach you anything. Can't take you anywhere. I tell you right now.